Hey folks, this video will teach you how to pronounce the Brazilian Portuguese word cerveja. The correct pronunciation is cerveja. Once again, cerveja. However, pronunciation may vary by region. You might hear it pronounced as cerveja or cerveja. Again, cerveja or cerveja. But remember, the correct pronunciation is always the one that people can understand. So don't be afraid. Choose whatever is easiest for you. Let's say it one more time. Cerveja. You've got it. If you have any other word suggestions, feel free to comment below. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.